Hello and welcome. Today's recipe is a really good one. It is a certified winter warmer, but it also works really well in the summer too. It's a sunny Sri Lankan curry and it is bursting with wonderful flavors, fantastic colors, and it is abundant in health. It is a really delicious recipe that features this. This is a butternut squash, and as you can see, it's a small one, about 400 grams. And the first thing that you need to do is to take your butternut squash and to cut it into little pieces just like this. Pop them on your baking tray, nicely spread out. That way they'll cook evenly. Pop a little bit of vegetable oil or light olive oil over the top. We've got a little bit of salt there, not too much. A nice big pinch of pepper as well. Pop this butternut squash in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and leave it in the oven for around about 30 minutes until the butternut squash pieces are nice and tender. Now these are cashew nuts, very, very prevalent in Sri Lankan cooking. And you want to pop them into the oven for around about 8 minutes at the same temperature, which is 180 degrees. So the next stage in this fantastic recipe is to fry some shallots in some coconut oil. And to help cook those shallots, we're going to sprinkle them with a touch of sea salt. Now you want to stir these for around about 2 to 3 minutes until they start turning translucent and, well, start smelling amazing. But I tell you something, it's about to get a lot nicer in here because of these three aromatic. Garlic, pureed, ginger, which has been box grated, Thai chili. Now I've left the seeds in, feeling brave today, but this is gonna be really, really flavorful and obviously packed full of fantastic heat. Now we're gonna add even more flavor. Turn the heat of the pan down, because you don't want to burn anything. Mild curry powder, some turmeric, black mustard seeds, tomato puree, around about 15 curry leaves. Now stir that around for around about 1 minute. And look, what you're basically making is a paste inside the pan. But we need to rehydrate the pan, but not too much. So what we're going to do is add some red bell pepper. Let's get some water in the pan. Stir this round. That paste that was all clumpy is now turned into what is essentially a very loose curry sauce. But this sunny Sri Lankan curry, what we're looking for is a nice creaminess. And that creaminess is going to come from this stuff, coconut milk. And now we're just going to stir this through. That's looking really good. I mean, this, you just know, is going to be a flavor bomb. This desiccated coconut, it's going to give a little bit of texture. It's going to give lots and lots of flavor. Now, I'm very pleased with the way that this looks. We need to turn the heat right down and we need to let this simmer, okay? Just let those flavors develop, let everything come together beautifully and let this bad boy simmer. So our curry has simmered down beautifully, the color is now perfect, the smells in this room are absolutely undeniable. We're gonna hit it with even more lovely, fresh, healthy stuff. Now spinach doesn't take very long at all to cook. Fold it into the curry. Spinach is one of the healthiest foods that you could possibly wish to eat. Goodness gracious, that is looking great. It's high time to welcome back the main event. We've got our butternut squash perfectly cooked, it's beautifully tender. Pop in there, lads, nicely done. We don't want to break them, so we're just going to fold them into our curry. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Half a lime, that citrus, acidic tang is going to work brilliantly in here. Have a little taste. Okay, that could do with a little bit of salt, not loads, and a little touch of pepper. Fold that seasoning into the dish, and this is now ready to serve. Now, sunny Sri Lankan curry is that good you can serve it any way that you like. You could have it like a soup, or you can have it over rice like we are going to do today. And here is this fantastic, wonderful curry that we've just cooked together. It's packed full of fantastic flavor. It's really, really colorful. Like I said before, this is gonna bring a little bit of sunshine on those winter months. Oh my goodness, I love this dish. I love it. So, as if that wasn't enough, desiccated coconut, which I've lightly toasted for around about 2 minutes on a dry pan, will complement the desiccated coconut that's on the inside. Also, remember those cashews that we had earlier? Well, here they are. We've activated all those fantastic flavors that live inside the cashew nut. And last but not least, if you've got some lying around, it's not completely necessary, but a touch of coriander will look absolutely fantastic and give a really nice flavor. Now, I've got my spoon and I'm gonna pop it right in the middle of that curry because do you know what? It looks amazing and I am hungry. Oh my God. It's just layers and layers of fantastic Eastern flavour, marvellous textures. You got a bit of sweetness, you got a bit of heat. All in all, that is a wonderful dish, and I urge you to make one at home. It's the sunny Sri Lankan curry. It's very, very healthy. And if you liked it, let us know in the comment section below. We want to know what you want, so let us know in those comment section, and we will do our best to give you what you want. As ever, it's been a wonderful pleasure cooking with you today, and we shall see you again very soon.